Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL fosters employees' engagement, organizes online sessions on management inspired by lessons from spiritual and cultural past of India. And Team Hot Strip Mill of SAIL RSP revives critical system to enhance quality and techno-economics. And now the news in detail. Steel Authority of India Limited SAIL has always been a front runner in embracing employee-oriented management measures for their motivation and performance enhancement. In line with this objective, the company, through a social NGO, AAS, has organized a series of online sessions for employees on various topics such as motivation, positivity, leadership, professional and personal conduct. These sessions are aimed at ushering in change management, conflict resolution and improving decision-making abilities of the employees. The company is continually trying to introduce constructive and effective programs which will help in alleviating the general stress caused by challenging health issues of recent times. These online sessions will provide a different viewpoint while dealing with the issues arising in day-to-day by blending the management concepts with mythology. The series consists of 4 virtual sessions to be held over weekly intervals and are being conducted by the renowned leadership and motivational speaker Shri Atul Satya Kaushik. The first session in the series, held on 26 September, saw enthusiastic participation from a large number of SAIL employees from across the country. Shri Anil Kumar Chaudhary, Chairman SAIL, believes that such initiatives will bring in a fresh perspective to the working environment. He said, the present challenging times have proven that staying healthy physically and mentally is the basic requirement to face any obstacle with ease. Through such programs, it will not only create a wider and positive outlook, but will also alleviate the overall mental stress and unlock the true potential of our employees. The Hot Strip Mill 1 HSM1 Electrical Collective of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP has successfully revived the Roll Bite Lubrication System RBL at HSM1 finishing mill stands. The effort will not only help improve the techno-economics of the mill, but will also further enhance the quality of work rolls. Notably, RBL is a critical system which is useful in improving productivity of the mill and life of rolls at finishing stands. The RBL system at HSM1 has been instrumental in reduction in average specific grinding offtake of work rolls and specific consumption of work rolls and suppression of mark on backup rolls during checkered steel rolling. It is worth mentioning here that the RBL system had stopped functioning due to PLC software problem since January 2020. The system could be finally revived successfully with concerted efforts and effective planning of HSM1 electrical and technical support from Messrs. IOCL and its subcontractor Messrs. Khan Sales and Service. The revival job was also more challenging in view of the logistics and lockdown restrictions during the COVID-19 pandemic. In a recently organized function at RBL control room, the system was re-inducted into operation in the presence of Mr. B.R. Kumar, GM in charge HSM Mechanical, Mr. Ajit Kumar Das, GM HSM Operation, Mr. C. Nayak, DGM Electrical, Mr. Shovan Roy, Assistant Manager Messrs. IOCL, Mr. K. S. Shaw, Senior Manager HSM Operation, and Mr. A. K. Pujari, Senior Manager HSM Operation. The program was organized strictly adhering to the COVID guidelines. Many other executives and employees of the department joined the program through online. The program was coordinated by Mr. Anup Agarwal, Deputy Manager, HSM Operation. And that's all for now. Namaskar.